let us make cotton swab flowers. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please go through it. I'm sure you'll be loving the content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. And share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. If you want us to try any specific DIYs, let us know in the comment section below. I'll be back with an interesting DIY. Until then, see you all.